Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are checking out the best electric pressure washer for car, a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that makes washing vehicles and outdoor surfaces fast and easy. If you want strong performance and smart features, this is a perfect choice. Let's get started. Now let's talk about the OzHawk electric pressure washer for car. This washer is designed to give both professional level cleaning power and easy handling. The OzHawk washer is perfect for washing cars, bicycles, fences, sidewalks, garden furniture, and even walls or patios. It combines high pressure with portability, making outdoor cleaning simpler and faster. One of the main highlights is the 1800-watt motor that generates up to 4,800 psi of pressure with a flow rate of 3.2 gallons per minute. This strong performance allows it to remove stubborn dirt, mud, and grime quickly, saving time compared to traditional cleaning methods. Safety is another key feature. The OzHawk electric pressure washer comes with a total stop system that automatically shuts off the motor when you release the trigger. This not only saves energy, but also prolongs the life of the pump. Additionally, a built-in safety lock prevents children from turning it on accidentally, giving families peace of mind. Portability is also impressive. The washer is lightweight and includes smooth rolling wheels that let you move it easily across the yard or driveway. A 25-foot hose adds extra reach, so you can clean hard-to-access areas like rooftops, upper walls, or garden corners without struggling. The washer also has dedicated hooks to store all accessories neatly. The OzHawk electric pressure washer is very versatile thanks to its 5 quick connect nozzles. The 0-degree nozzle delivers a concentrated high-pressure stream for tough dirt. The 15-degree nozzle is ideal for concrete and brick surfaces, while the 25-degree nozzle works well for medium-pressure cleaning on decks or vinyl siding. The 40-degree nozzle provides gentle pressure for delicate areas like windows or screens. For car enthusiasts, the included foam cannon generates thick, rich bubbles for a thorough but gentle wash. In terms of design, the OzHawk electric pressure washer looks sturdy yet compact. The body is built to last, and the layout keeps all parts accessible. Its combination of wheels, lightweight frame, and storage options makes it very practical for home use. In everyday life, this washer is perfect for maintaining vehicles, cleaning garden furniture, washing driveways, or even tackling outdoor DIY projects. It saves time, reduces effort, and ensures surfaces are cleaned effectively without damage. The OzHawk electric pressure washer for car is best for homeowners, car lovers, gardeners, and anyone who wants a reliable, easy-to-use pressure washer for various cleaning tasks. Here's something you don't want to miss. Check the price link in the description to see the latest details. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.